Chris from Canopy Crypto here. Just wanted to show you Dexscreener.com. It's a pretty awesome dashboard for tracking your crypto. And I've just started using it in the last week or so and found it's pretty handy for setting up your own watch lists for crypto, and as well as alerts and just general analysis for examining how your investments are doing. So yeah, if you go to dexscreener.com, you will get this dashboard, and what you might want to start with is adding some tokens to your watch list, which is in the top corner here. I just have 4 crypto tokens. You can do it across multiple chains as shown on the left side here: Ethereum, Binance, Solana, etc. And you can also set up things like alerts, which I found are pretty cool. So price alerts, so when XPay gets over 0.005 cents, you will get an alert through your dashboard. So that's kind of a neat thing, and the watch list is definitely helpful as well. And then when you click on any one token, you get a full detailed chart, the classic red and green bar chart, candle chart, and you can zoom in and out across, with your mouse, and you can see there's various trade data at the bottom. So you'll see, as of 3 minutes ago, who's trading what at what price, how much, buy or sell. And so obviously the green is the buys and the red are the sells. And so you can see what's going on and look at liquidity, among other things. So lots of details here, but it's really, you can go for 1 hour, 4 hours, change the time frame. It's definitely a good idea to look at the liquidity. You don't want to be, you can sort by liquidity type. You don't want to be looking at some tokens that have such low liquidity, like this one. XPay has $234,000 of liquidity. And I believe that's that's a pretty strong amount. I wouldn't look at anything personally under $50,000 of liquidity in terms of investments. There just wouldn't be enough trade volume. But yeah, you've got multi-charts here. You can go and again look at what's happening, and you've got for each crypto, you've got their website, Twitter, Telegram. You can also trade right on Uniswap. If you click here, you can go and if you're more comfortable with trading on Uniswap versus a private exchange, I use bitbuy.ca in Canada, but you can you can actually add it to Uniswap, and it'll show you how to buy, sell there. And then again, these alerts, you can set up alerts, which I've already done for some, if it goes over a certain price level, price in US dollars, you will get alert in the dashboard here. And again, there's all the major networks, obviously, Ethereum, Solana, Arbitrum, and so on. But it is pretty awesome, really. And you can look at the gainers and losers. That's what a lot of people like to see in the last 24 hours. Who are the big, or which tokens have gained the most. You can sort by the last hour. What's the biggest percent increase? 117% for some Solana coin here. Bonk. Oh no, it's something else now. So this constantly changes. FAR is the latest coin, huge 24-hour uptake. So you click through to that, and then again you get the candle chart and the detail. So this is great for new issues. As you'll see, this one's pretty new. Not a lot of history yet, but pretty big liquidity, and it's, you know, it's looking all green. So these are early launches. Pretty awesome dashboard altogether. I would highly recommend you get to know the interface. It's a little funky at first because it's quite complicated. I'm still learning it. But yeah, hope you like it, and hope it's something that you can find that you'll use moving forward.